sana maglakad ng isang round. Pero hindi. This way?
This way. Yeah. No more. Ho! Turn that. Let me do it. Yeah.
Wow! Nice. Wow.
I'm gonna go outside. I need to get up.
Good morning, guys. So today is the day 4 of winter storm here in Texas. So it's now 5:45 in the morning, and I'm going to work. So we got another 3 inches of snow. Yep, they're calling me last night to work double today. So because of this bad weather, look, another 3 inches of snow.
Still snowing?
Yeah, it's still snowing until tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. So kaya struggle is real to go to work today. Usually now, oh, ang kapal na naman ng snow. Snow na naman again. But it's okay, oh. Bumabalik na naman. Meron na siya kahapon. Tapos ito na naman, oh. Snow again sa day 4. So, I don't know. Meron pa naman kaming ilaw, but some place still no electricity here in Texas. And it's cold. Yeah, no heater, everything. So, thank God naman sa amin, bumalik naman yung kuryente after how many hours. So, ito no, it's very cold. Day 4. Good evening. So, nakawin ako na bahay. Is now 10 na ng gabi. I'm working 16 hours today sa day 4 na winter storm. So, wala masyadong ganap on day 4, guys. Ito lang. Ganda, oh. What you call this, my love? Ayan. Look at that. That's very pretty. Diba? Ganda, oh. I like it. Ganda. Okay. Mommy gone for 16 hours. To my baby. You know, 16 hours na nawala. Mommy gone for 16 hours. Oh my god. Oh my god. I miss you too. I miss you. Open the door. Zoe. Open the door, Zoe. Come on. Zoe. Good girl. Good girl. Galing niya mag-open the door. I know. Gusto nila ng bone. Do you want a bone? Huh? Yan ako na Zoe. Here's a bone. Here's a bone. Oh, meron silang pedigree. Kanilang ulam. God, guys, it's still cold. Yep. It's now 16 hours work. Did you get a donut again?
Yeah.
No.
They were open.
They were open?
First time.
Wow. Nice. Very nice. Yep. Ang aking doggy, oh. Morning! Day 5 of winter storm! They close ang door kasi malamig. Woo! Loyal sila, oh. Ayun, oh. Ang aking mga doggy. Ayan, ayun. Umihi na sila. Ang lamig talaga. Yung mga isa, kakain pa rin ang kain ng yelo. Ayun, oh. Gusto-gusto. Ano yung dalawa, oh. Mga lovebirds. Ang lamig pa rin, guys. So, mag-try kami mamaya gawa ng snowman. Hopefully, ay. Yun sila, oh, naglalaro. So, it's right.
Yeah. One of these days you won't be able to get through to the door. You had no cause to do that. Pick that up.
Okay.
You're getting mighty uppity, Lee, and I won't stand for it. Wait a minute. Get back here, boy. You hear me?
Vlog day 5. So, I'm going to... Can I slide here?
Well,
Or there?
no. Driveway.
I'm scared. I think I'm gonna fall. Takot naman to, guys. Wait. I'm here. Then
Yeah, start here.
start there.
We got to make a run or two first. Just put that on the truck. Just set it up there for right now. We ain't ready to film. You're not
Okay.
filming, are you?
I'm filming.
No, take it off.
It's okay. First, here.
Get rid of the camera. Lay it, put it on the truck. I don't want it filming yet. We got to get a couple practice runs to get the snow packed.
Okay.
Don't worry about filming right now.
Okay. Here?
Give it to me.
What?
Give me the camera.
First trial.
Get the box, the cardboard. Right here. Right here.
It's not on.
Oh, well. Good night. Keep going, yeah. Get your legs up. Silly. Yep. Now do it again.
How about there?
No, do it again. You got to pack it. You almost got it packed. Right there. Yeah, try that.
I-try natin doon kung mag-slide ba ako.
It's cold.
Yeah, you can go inside.
I'm gonna watch you a little bit more.
A little bit more. Okay, I'll try this one. Let's try this. Ready?
God almighty.
Not good.
Hurt yourself.
I thought I will ever slide.
No, you gotta pack the snow. It's gotta be packed.
I know.
Yep.
What about this? Maybe this one. Yeah, like. Ooh.
You're not on it.
No, it's okay. Here. Here.
Trash.
Okay.
You gonna walk?
Yeah,
What's your gloves?
I know. I gotta walk there.
Don't get too cold.
No. Okay, guys. Take 2. Yan. Hello, guys. Good morning. Good freezing day in Dallas. So, today is the day 5 of snowstorm. So, we're gonna walk in the village. Still freezing here. Look at the house. Yung mga cars. Tapos ito, may ano na siya. Ice na siya. Kaya masyado na siyang ano, slippery. Ayan o. Lalo kung magdadrive. Yan. So, look up. Ano na siya. So, I'm wearing this for arm tie slippery. So, it's very cold. We're just walking in the neighbor. So, everything is closed pa rin. Like yung mga fast food. May nag-open na pero ano, ang haba ng linya, about 2 hours bago ka maka ano, 2 hours bago ka kuha ng food mo. So, ayun. Today is Wednesday. Yan, walang garbage today. Kasi ano, snow. Mahirap ang ano, mag-pick up ng basura. May bird doon, no? No, how? Nakita niyo ba yung bird? Ayun, may bird. Hi, bird! Hello, bird! You should know how shot. I-zoom natin si bird. Yan. Kita ba? Here's a bird. You know. Nauhaw si bird. Ayan o, ibon. Wow. Well, kahit antay dito, snow, papasok pa rin ako sa trabaho kasi kailangan natin pumasok sa trabaho. So, yung mga halaman, no, naano na sila, frozen na rin. Yan. Ay, pusa. Ano to? Parang ano, aso. Dito tayo sa tabi. Kasi, ay, pusa. Ma-slide. Dito na tayo sa kalsada. Ma-slide. So, na-slide ako doon. So, maglalakad-lakad tayo ngayon sa village. Tapos, baka bukas, maaraw na bukas. Pero may snow pa rin. Tapos, after nito, grabe ang lamig. Sobrang lamig. Let's go. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakapaglakad. So, look at that to. Yung mga bubong. Puro ano pa rin. Snow. Ayan o. Nag-snow pa rin. So, just walk here. So, day 5 na namin. So, baka siguro hindi na tayo tutuloy doon kasi masyado na ano. Sakto dito kasi masyado malamig. Ayan o. Balik tayo dito. Kasi ano. Dito. Snow. Sobra, pero kailangan natin bumalik. Malapit na. Big. It's cold. Look at this. Lamig na guys. So, bala ko sana maglakad ng hanggang doon pero hindi ko na kaya. Wait, picture na natin to.